Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified and for more videos. Today we are going to talk about the present simple tense. Present simple tense. The present simple is a verb tense with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. How to form the present simple? I, you, we, they plus bare infinitive. For example, we go to bed early. When the singular form of the subject or a singular pronoun is used, the verb is used in the simple present tense by adding s or es. For example, he goes to bed early. How to make the simple present negative? The formula for making a simple present verb negative is do plus not, thus plus not. You can also use the contraction don't or doesn't instead of the not or does not. For example, they don't go to bed early. John doesn't go to bed early. How to ask a question? The formula for asking a question in the simple present is do, thus plus subject plus root form of verb. For example, do they go to bed early? Does he go to bed early? We use the simple present tense in the following conditions. First, to describe habits, timetables, repeated actions, or events. For example, she usually wakes up at 6 o'clock. Second, to talk about general truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. Third, to give instructions or directions. For example, don't open that box, throw it away. Fourth, to talk about something that is fixed in the future. For example, the bus leaves at 8 p.m. Hurry up. That's all for now, guys. See you again on my next video. If you want more English lessons, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.